Hello, and welcome to a new video. Spirulina is an alga rich in protein and antioxidants suitable for skin, hair, and nail health. Added to a facial mask recipe, it will moisturize the skin, diminish fine lines or light wrinkles, and refresh the skin. Yes, spirulina is known for its property of maintaining skin hydration. It can also eliminate the bacteria that cause acne and soothe sensitive, irritated, or rosacea skin. This face mask with spirulina is nourishing, keeps the skin radiant and fresh. It is useful for all skin types, from prone to acne to dry. The green spirulina mask contains 1. Spirulina. It is a green alga rich in protein, iron, antioxidants, magnesium, and B vitamins. It has 26 times more calcium than milk, is considered the most nutrient-dense food on the planet. Antioxidants help prevent aging and wrinkles. 2. Honey. It is soothing and regenerating for the skin and can help heal burns. The natural antibacterial properties make it especially crucial for cleansing the skin. It also acts as a moisturizer to keep skin soft and supple. 3. Yogurt. It is full of healthy, nourishing probiotics for the skin. Yogurt naturally contains lactic acid, which helps to naturally exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving the skin fresh, healthy. It helps reduce wrinkles and skin aging. 4. Essential oils. Some essential oils may be too irritating to the delicate skin on the face, however, some have beneficial effects: geranium, incense, and lavender. These essential oils help to restore and rejuvenate the skin. The spirulina in this mask has a strong aroma, so the essential oil masks the unpleasant smell. For this face mask, we need these ingredients: 3/4 teaspoon spirulina powder, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of plain and unsweetened yogurt, 1 drop of incense, lavender, geranium, or patchouli oil. In a small glass bowl, mix all the ingredients well. Apply the mask generously on the face with your fingertips, avoiding the delicate area of the eyes. Wash with warm water. This recipe provides enough material for 2 applications. Keep the mask in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, and allow it to reach room temperature before using it again, as honey can harden. To get more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.